name is Alexander Bach, and I am 17 years old. I currently live in Spentrup, which is a fairly small town located in the outer skirmish of Randers. I've been living here for the past couple years after moving from Randers due to the insane amounts of traffic and lack of daycare slash kindergartens, etc. I live here with my father and my mother, my three little sisters, and my little brother. Obviously, I'm the oldest of the pack, children-wise. My sisters are named Isabella, Bianca, and Natasha. They are, in that specific order, 4, 4, and 13. My little brother is 11 and named Philip. Our family have had a couple pets in the past, including a Labrador, a German Shepherd, and a hamster, which we only had for a short period before, well, she passed off. We are currently not looking for any more pets though, since my youngest sisters would most likely get into a bit of a, well, I guess you could say a conflict with the pet or pets. Whether it be a dog, cat, or even a bird, they'll somehow get in trouble with it. I'm taking the EUX line because I personally think it's one of the more interesting choices to pick from a very long list. I've never really been an athletic or handyman kind of person, so engineering or woodworking or anything sports related wouldn't quite be my cup of tea. So being able to get an education within an office while also learning how to start my own company is a fantastic opportunity for me, to be honest. At this point in time, I have a small part-time job in Superbrugsen, which is it's fairly small but also large grocery store in my hometown, Spentrup. Here I mainly sit at the register, which is an easy job to have. I personally say it can be quite stressful from time to time, depending on how many customers enter each day. And occasionally, when annoying customers enter, you just know things are going to be bad. But then again, what can I do? I just serve them with a smile, which in the long term is kind of stressful since some customers you just want to strangle. Yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about myself. Or, at least of stuff that might be of interest to anyone. So yeah, I'll just end it here. Thank you very much for watching and have a nice day.